How to redeem digital code on Amazon. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem digital code on Amazon. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. An Amazon gift card claim code is 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. So, to redeem digital code on Amazon, firstly, go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now go ahead and tap on the account icon, which is the second option from left on the bottom toolbar. You will then see the option for your account. Tap on that. Scroll down and under the Payments tab, you will see the option for Manage Gift Card Balance. Tap on that. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to see your gift card balance. So, go ahead and tap on the Redeem Another Gift Card option. And in the text box you see there, go ahead and enter your claim code. You can also tap on the Scan Your Claim Code option and scan your code to redeem the code. Once entered, tap on the Apply to Your Balance button, and with this, if the code you entered was correct, your code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem digital code on Amazon. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.